Hi my dear little cute 3rd standard children. Today you are going to learn about sun, right? Now we all live in earth, right? Come on, let's fly into the space so that we can see the sun and you will learn about sun. Now come on, let's fly and see about sun, right? You can see here the sun. The sun is a huge ball of fire. What it is? It's a huge ball of fire, right? So it has more amount of hydrogen and helium, and it is about nearly high temperature, right? And also the sun give us heat and light. So the sun rays fall on earth, is it? Yes, the sun rays fall on earth, thereby the earth gets heat as well as light. So that's why in the night time you will not feel heat, right? You will feel coldness. Why? Because there is no sunlight. Yes? Yes, the sun gives us heat as well as light. Now, what are the uses of? Yes, of course, because of this sun, all living beings live on the earth. Yes. So, for example, if you take plants, the plants need sunlight to prepare food. Yes. So, all the plants they absorb the sunlight and they prepare their own food. So, that food only we all, even the human beings as well as animals, they get the food from the plants. So, the sunlight is very, very important for all living beings on the earth, right. Now, you can see here the sun emits a large amount of gases also, right. Yes. Now, you can see many objects, very round huge objects that revolve around the sun, right. So, there are many round objects that revolve around the sun in their own paths. What is own paths? What it is means how a train travels in a track. The same way these round objects travel in their own path, which is known as orbit. So, like all the other objects including earth, the earth revolve around the sun in its own path. So, that path is known as orbit, right. So, the earth revolve around the sun in its orbit. So, now what is this round heavy objects? These are all planets. So, how many planets that revolve around the sun? Yes, there are 8 planets that revolve around the sun. So, you can see here Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So, these are the 8 planets that revolve around the sun, and Earth is the 3rd planet. Yes, the first planet is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet. Venus is the hottest planet, and the 3rd one Earth. Earth is a blue planet. Mars is called as a red planet. Jupiter is the largest planet, and Saturn is also called as ring planet. Uranus. So, of course, all the other planets revolve in its on the side, but the Uranus planet revolve on its axis. So, it rolls like a ball, right. And the last one is Neptune. Neptune is called as coldest planet, right. So, these are all the planets that revolve around the sun. So, together this planet, all the planets have their own satellites, which is known as moon, right. Of course, Earth also has one moon. Like that, many planets also has moon except Mercury and Venus. Mercury and Venus does not have moons, but all the other planets have moons. Now, you can see including the sun, planets and moon, this together forms a system. What is that system? Yes, it is known as solar system. So, today in this class you learned about sun and what are all the objects that revolve around the sun, which is known as planets and the planet's own satellites you learned. So, together all this which form a very good solar system, right. So, if they ask what is solar system, you should be able to answer the sun, planets and their moons form a solar system, right. So, hope you understood about the sun and what is the solar system, right. Okay. So, the next class I will meet you with a very new topic. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.